Hello and welcome, I'm Bradley Owen. And I'm Cameron Portelli. Today we'll be taking a closer look at the K-Flexal impact belt support system.
The K-Flexal elastic belt support system is a polyurethane impact belt support assembly. The polyurethane elastic straps absorb the impact energy of the bulk material and provide maximum protection to the belt. The steel framework is adjustable in height, width, and angle to suit any trough profile. It is also suitable for a range of stringer widths. Individual ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene slider pads allow for a low friction surface that are easily replaceable.
Thank you for watching today's presentation. For more information, please contact us at Kinder Australia.